Welcome to Slinger CAD. This is tutorial number 9 on CATIA points. In this video, we will see how to access points in 2D Sketcher Workbench and what are the different types of points available in 2D Sketcher Workbench. The points can be defined from Profile Toolbar. So, the point toolbar can be defined from a Profile Toolbar. This is one way, or else you can go to Insert, Profile, Point, and you can access all kinds of points available in this workbench. Simple point. I can define simple point from clicking. I can just pick and place the simple point. Next is points using coordinate system. Just select it and give the coordinate value. You will get the point on that exact coordinate value. Next is equidistant point. So equidistance, if you have a line here and if you want to divide this line into equal points, you can just select it. Just place it. So here, how many points you require, you can give. If I want 10 points, 10 points will be available here. It will be divided at an equidistance. Fine. So this is point using equidistance. So this is equidistant point. Next is intersection point. So if I have these two intersection and if I have to project the intersection point, just select this and just select the two lines and you will get the intersection point. Okay, so this is intersection point. Next is projection point. For example, if you have a point around here and if you want to project this point on this line, so select the projection point, select the element that you need to be projected. Okay, select this element, that is your point, and then select the element on which you need to be projected. Select this. So you will have a point projected here. I will do it once more. If I have a circle here and if I have a point somewhere around here, so I will select the projection point and select the point to which needed to be projected and the projection element, so it will be projected here. So this is projection point. Next is align point. So align point, if your points are scattered in somewhere, if it is points are scattered in this position, and now if you want to align these all points in a single straight line, just select this, just select the points which needed to be aligned and just select the direction. So now every point is been selected in the same particular direction. Fine. So this is how you will create 2D points in Sketcher Workbench. Thank you. For more videos, please subscribe our channel Slinger CAD for further updates.